Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm my Birchbox for June, and I love that they changed the box. This is so cool. It has a little tassel, and then you pull it out, and it says, "This is not a beauty box." And I'll pause here for a moment in case you want to pause the video and read what it says. It says it's a reminder that this is for you. And there's a poem on the back as well. Then be good to you. So these are some self-care ideas. And then all my products on the back. So let's take a look. Loyalty points equal free money. You can use it in their shop, which is cool. And the first item I got is Wave and Shine Spray. That's pretty cool. I've had dry shampoo from this company, so I will definitely give that a try. Also have from Kula, this is a classic body sunscreen. I love that, 30 SPF, and it's 70% organic, it says. Very cool. I like keeping small ones like that in my purse, because sometimes you're unexpectedly outside for long periods of time. Then I also have a Luxy brush. I have a lot of the Luxie ones, and they're pretty good. I like them. I also have Winkie Luxe. Oh, that's so cute. Look at the top part. Has little, I guess it's supposed to be like cups of tea, but there's cats in them. That's adorable. Love the packaging. And that's a really pretty color. Color is frothy. I'm not going to swatch that because I know I probably won't use it. Then we have No Poreblem priming water. That's awesome. I've just gotten into using a primer, so I will give that a try. I've only ever used the Tarte kind. Next and last, we have Murad. This is Retinal Youth Renewal Serum. Very cool. I know that's supposed to be really good for your skin. Let's take a look at the product card. Gives you a list of all the items, their full size values and prices. Very, very cool. So I got 6 things this month. If you guys are interested in signing up for Birchbox, I'll put a promo link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.